Hi, my name is Catherine. I am your digital librarian, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a little bit more specific searching on the Adventist Digital Library website. So I am going to search all the collections, but I'm going to search for a specific name. Anytime I need to search keywords that are more than one keyword on this particular platform, I do need to use quotation marks to make sure the words appear together. So I'm going to search for Elmer Coulston. You'll see that I do not need to capitalize. It's not case sensitive for the searching. If I search the name Elmer Coulston, I can find the material in the Adventist Digital Library that has to do with this particular missionary. Once again, I did use quotation marks to force these two words to appear together in every result that I've received. And I can see just from this page that the words do appear together. Let me show you the difference if I search without the quotation marks. You see now there are over 10,000 periodical results that have come up. The results that have come to the top of the page are obviously the most relevant. They've placed the two words together. But if I were to filter, I would see I do find some results where there are different variations on Elmer Coulston's name. But it could be possible, for example, here in the first set of results, I do have a result that's not about Elmer Coulston. It's about a different member of his family. I believe that might be a result about his wife. So if you find that your results are frustrating and not working, if you're searching for terms that would appear together, you can force them together with the quotation marks and it will reduce the number of false results. But you do also see the benefit of doing a second search where you do not use quotation marks, where you will get variations on a name or variations on the way a term is written.